99% of people who try to make money online fail, not because they are lazy, not because they are stupid, and not because the methods don't work. They fail for one specific reason. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what that reason is and exactly how to be in the 1% that actually succeeds. Welcome back to Wealth Flip, the channel where we turn spare time into real income. Today's video is different. No methods, no tools, no side hustles, just the raw truth about why most people fail and the exact mindset and system shifts that separate the 1% from everyone else. Let's get into it. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a simple 3-question test that will tell you exactly which category you are in right now, the 99% or the 1%. Make sure you watch until the end because that test alone could save you months of wasted time. Our reason number 1 why 99% of people fail. Waraji shiny object syndrome. This is the number 1 killer of online income dreams. Here's what it looks like. You watch a video about dropshipping. You spend a week setting it up. Then you see a video about affiliate marketing. You drop everything and start that. Then you see a video about print on demand. You switch again and again and again. The brutal truth, every method works. Dropshipping works. Affiliate marketing works. Freelancing works. Faceless YouTube works. They all work, but only if you stick with one for long enough to see results. Most people never give any method more than 2 to 3 weeks before switching. That is not enough time, not even close. The 1% solution, pick one method, commit to it for 90 days minimum. No switching, no detours. 90 days of focused action on one thing will produce more results than 2 years of jumping between methods. Now, here's the one that surprises people the most. Reason number 2 has nothing to do with skills, methods, or tools. It has everything to do with your relationship with time, and it's killing more online income dreams than anything else. What's reason number 2? Unrealistic time expectations. Most people who start trying to make money online expect to make money in the first week. When they don't, they quit. When they make $5 in month 1, they feel like a failure. When they make $50 in month 2, they think it's not working. Here's the reality of how online income actually grows. Month 1, you learn, set up, and make almost nothing. This is normal. Month 2, you start getting traction. Small results, $10 to $50. Month 3, things start clicking, $50 to $200. Month 6, you have a system, $200 to $500 per month. Month 12, if you stayed consistent, $500 to $2,000 per month is very realistic. The 99% quit in month 1 or 2, right before the breakthrough. The 1% understand that online income is slow at first and then suddenly fast, like a snowball rolling down a hill. Small at the top, massive at the bottom. Your only job is to keep rolling. Reason number 3 is the one nobody talks about. I've seen people with every skill, every tool, and every method still fail because of this one thing. It's not what you think. Reason number 3 is fear of imperfect action, also known as waiting until everything is perfect before starting. The 99% spend weeks designing the perfect logo, writing the perfect bio, building the perfect website, researching the perfect niche, and never actually start. Here's the truth that changed everything for me. Your first video will be bad. Your first design will be ugly. Your first piece of writing will be average, and that is completely okay. Because done is infinitely better than perfect. Every single successful online earner you see today had a terrible start. Bad thumbnails, low quality videos, amateur writing, they just kept going anyway. Oh, the 1% solution, start before you are ready, post the imperfect video, send the average email, create the ugly design, get it out there, improve as you go. Speed beats perfection every single time in the online world. We are more than halfway through and I want to ask you something. Have you recognized yourself in any of these so far? Be honest, because reason number 4 is the most fixable one, and most people don't even realize they are doing it. Reason number 4, consuming without creating. This is the trap that catches almost everyone. You watch video after video about making money online. You read article after article. You listen to podcast after podcast. You feel productive because you are learning, but you are not earning. Because learning without doing produces zero income. The harsh truth, Watching 100 videos about swimming will never teach you how to swim. At some point, you have to get in the water. Most people in the 99% are stuck in what I call the learning loop, always preparing to start but never actually starting. The 1% solution: for every hour you spend learning, spend 2 hours doing. Learn the basics of affiliate marketing in 1 hour, then spend 2 hours actually setting up your affiliate link and posting about it. The ratio of doing to learning must always be 2 to 1, not the other way around. And now we get to reason number 5, the deepest one, the one that is almost never talked about in Make Money Online videos, and honestly, the one that I believe is responsible for more failures than all the other 4 reasons combined. Reason number 5, wrong identity. Here's what I mean. Deep down, most people who try to make money online still see themselves as someone who has a job, someone who needs a boss to tell them what to do, someone who needs a salary to feel secure. And that identity at a subconscious level will sabotage every attempt to build online income. The 1% think differently. They see themselves as creators, as builders, as people who generate value and get paid for it, not people who trade time for money. This shift in identity is the foundation of everything. When you truly see yourself as an online earner, your decisions change, your habits change, your consistency changes. How do you make this shift? Start small. Tell yourself every day, I'm building an online income, I am a creator, I'm in the 1%. Say it until you believe it, because what you believe about yourself determines what actions you take, and your actions determine your results. And now, the 3-question test I promised you at the start. Answer these honestly. Question 1, have you tried more than 2 methods in the last 6 months without sticking to any of them? If yes, you have shiny object syndrome. Fix it by picking 1 method today. Question 2, have you quit something because it didn't make money in the first 30 days? If yes, you have unrealistic time expectations. Fix it by committing to 90 days minimum. Question 3, have you spent more time watching videos about making money than actually doing something to make money this week? If yes, you are in the learning loop. Fix it by closing YouTube after this video and taking 1 action step. If you answered yes to any of these, you were in the 99%. But the fact that you are watching this video and identifying these patterns means you are already moving toward the 1%. That is the truth about why 99% of people fail at making money online. 1 method, realistic timelines, imperfect action, doing over consuming, and the right identity. Master these 5 things and you will be in the 1% guaranteed. If you want to see the exact methods that the 1% use to make $500 a day online, I made a full video on that. It's called I Made $500 in 1 Day using these 3 AI tools. Watch it next. Link is right there. Subscribe to Wealth Flip for daily money-making videos. And remember, the only difference between the 1% and the 99% is that the 1% never quit. Watch this video next. I made $500 in 1 day using these 3 AI tools. If you want to see the exact methods the 1% use, that video shows you everything. Link is right there.